In this video today, I'm going to show you a powerful candle you can use to scatter the evil plans of the enemies in your life. Those enemies who don't like your progress. Those enemies who are not happy that you are doing well. Those enemies that are not happy that you are married, that you fell in love with that particular person. Okay? Those enemies who are not happy with your children. They are planning evil. They are jealous that you are doing well. They are jealous that you are making money. They are jealous that your business is growing. They are planning evil for you. How you can scatter those enemies using candles. Okay. This candle is something that you should burn in the evening. Okay. In the evening when you are back from your daily activities, you can burn this candle to scatter any evil plan they have against you. And all of their plans will be destroyed when you burn this candle rightly. Okay. So in this video, I'm going to show you the candle. I'm going to teach you how you can burn this candle. Okay. Anybody that is your enemy, whether you know the name or you don't know the name, once you use this candle, burn it the way I will show you in this video. Once they are planning evil against you, they will never succeed. Okay. This will scatter their evil plans. Even when they try to carry out their plans, even when they try to carry out the plan, it will not work. They will not succeed. Okay. So make sure that you are going to watch this video to the end. And if you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Gideon. I share spiritual tips here in this channel. I'm saying a very big welcome to you. Please make sure that you subscribe to this channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you like my teaching. And I promise you, you're not going to regret subscribing. Like I always tell people that life is spiritual and it is spiritual realm that control the physical. A lot of things are going on in the spiritual world. Okay. There are people that are not happy seeing you living. They are not happy that you are changing clothes. They are not happy seeing you wearing new things. Okay. They are not happy that your business is going well. They are not happy that your children are growing. These are enemies of progress. You can use a candle to scatter whatever evil plan they have for you. Okay. Because anybody that is not happy about your progress, probably they are enemies of progress. They can do anything to make sure that you don't progress. Okay. So I'm going to show you this candle, how you can use it. Okay. So the candle that you need to use to scatter whatever evil plan they have against you is called separation candle. Okay. So this is the type of candle I'm talking about. Okay. If you can see it very well, you can get this candle anywhere. Okay. You can get this candle anywhere. They are selling candle. Now, how do you use this candle to scatter the evil plan? When you get this candle, when you are back from your daily activities in the evening, you just get this candle. Okay. Get this candle. Bring out this oil. There is an oil attached to this candle. Okay. Open it and use that oil and rub all over the candle. And when you rub the oil all over the candle, if you know the name of those people that are not happy with your progress, if you know the name of those your enemies, you can use a pin or a needle to write their names on the candle. Okay. Use a pin, a needle to write their names on the candle. Now, when you write their names on the candle, you are going to light up that candle in the evening. Okay. Now, if you don't know their name, you can write down anything that you are suspecting, anything that your instinct is telling that the enemy is responsible. Any problem that you're facing in life that your instinct or your mind is telling you that the enemy is at work, just write down that problem on this candle. Okay. Now, if you know their name, just write down their name on the candle as well. Now after writing their names on the candle, you light up the candle and you start praying. Wherever your enemies are, wherever they are planning evil against you, whether is it from the east, from the north, from the west, from the south, you start praying, you start making declaration over your life. This assignment, you can do it as a Christian, you can do it as a Muslim, you can do it as a traditional person, any religion you are into. Okay, just make sure you do this assignment. If you notice that you have enemy who are not happy with your progress, okay, so you make a prayer as the candle is burning. You make a prayer regarding your life, okay, that today you are scattering their plan, whatever plan, wherever they are planning it, being it a man, being it a woman, one of a man, one of a woman, you're scattering their evil plans, okay, using this candle, okay, and you're separating yourself from anything evil. okay, using this candle. This will be your prayer point, okay? Now, after making that prayer, you're going to leave this candle to burn down by itself. You are not going to off this candle, okay? On the first day, you are going to repeat this assignment for 3 days using 3 different candles, okay? Using 3 different candles of this for the 3 days, and you make this prayer, okay? Now, after these 3 days, you stop doing the assignment, okay? Now, when you stop doing the assignment, you relax, you observe, you listen to hear the news, okay, of those people that are your enemy, what will be happening to them, okay? You listen, observe, you watch to hear the news of the things that will be happening to those people that are your enemies, okay? Don't be afraid. Don't, panic, okay, when you hear things happening to them, because once they don't want your progress, once they are not happy that you are doing well in life, that same call, that same meal, that same thing that they are preparing to you for you will be served to them. That is how it works. Okay. So when you can do this assignment with this candle, you are going to scatter whatever evil plan they have for you. You are going to separate yourself from any evil plan they have for you. Okay. So that's what I want to share with you guys on how you can use this candle, this separation candle, to scatter any evil plan in your life. Okay. If you have any question that you want to ask about this video, if you do not understand any part of it, if you want to ask question about this candle, you can use the comment section. Okay. Yes, so that I'll explain it more better for you. And if you have not subscribed, please do well to subscribe. If you want to talk to me directly on WhatsApp, just chat me with the number showing on the screen so that I'll explain it more better for you. Okay. So make sure that you do this assignment. Don't be afraid. Don't panic. Once you're back from your daily activities in the evening, just get this candle and do this assignment and watch and observe what will happen to your enemies. You will come back to thank me later after this. Okay. So here I'll be wrapping it up in this video today. Okay. So do this and you see how it will work. So see you guys in my next video. Bye.